Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with a sneak peek at CASETiFY's Impact and Ultra Impact cases for iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. The phones aren't out until next weekend, so I can't include those in this video, but I can certainly show you these cases. CASETiFY has made some significant improvements in their super customizable Impact and Ultra Impact cases. Let's take a look. So the first thing you're likely to notice when you look at the new Impact and Ultra Impact cases for the iPhone 14 series is that they are significantly more protective than their predecessors. So the Impact case used to offer 6.6 feet of drop protection, now it offers 8.2. The Ultra Impact case used to give you 9.8 feet of drop protection, now it's going to give you 11.5. So the reason behind this is that CASETiFY has moved to a new type of protective material. This is something called EcoShock. It's plant-inspired and plant-based. So it's inspired by the design of tree roots. That's this twister design you see here. This twister design gives more protection somehow. And overall, you got to be impressed with the amount of drop protection these cases are going to give you. Again, 8.2 feet for this Impact case. This is also going to survive 4 times the number of drops that a military grade case needs to. So a military grade case is supposed to survive 26 drops. This one's going to survive 109. Really impressive, and of course, being a CASETiFY case, this is extremely customizable. You have access to CASETiFY's enormous graphics library, tons of custom prints. You can also go for custom text as well. Overall, just a lovely case here. So looking at the Ultra Impact case for the 14 Pro Max, here in a clear backed version with black sides. This is one of the custom text versions. Very nice case. So this one is also lined with the same special EcoShock material. That's going to give it 11.5 feet of drop protection, but it also has additional EcoShock here in the corners. So you can see this special twisted design here on the bumpers. This is a key part of why this version gives you so much more drop protection than the regular Impact. So really nice addition here. I do like these twisted corners. I think they look really cool. So this is very similar in size to the Ultra Impact case last year. Just a little tiny bit thicker because the phones are thicker. So if you compare it here with the 13 Pro Max Ultra Impact, you can see size-wise basically the same, but those corners are just a little bit different because we have the twisted design here as opposed to, well, a non-twisted design with the 13 Pro Max Ultra Impact corners. They also jut out just a little bit more. As you can see here, the case itself juts out slightly, and then you have the special EcoShock corners versus here on your 13 Pro Max version of the Ultra Impact, you did not have that. You just have it going up straight and then the corners kind of poking out. So I guess you could say they're just a bit more integrated here with the new 14 Pro Max version of the Ultra Impact. But size-wise, you're basically looking at the same thing, just as I said, a tiny bit thicker because you do have a thicker phone. Similarly, comparing the 13 Pro Max Impact and the 14 Pro Max Impact, you have the same height, same width, just a very small increase in thickness because again, you do have a thicker phone with the 14 Pro Max as opposed to the 13 Pro Max. Other than that, basically the same size. Looking at some of the other great print designs here on the Impact cases that CASETiFY sent me out. Can't wait to actually try these out on the phones next week. But I think everything looks really fantastic here. We've got a clear back with this acid smiles thing. Looks really fantastic. And then this one here, we've got a completely opaque back here. This one is actually MagSafe. You're going to pay an extra $10 for the MagSafe. So if you don't want MagSafe, if it's not something that you use, then you can just opt for the case without it. CASETiFY cases are extremely customizable. You really are only going to pay for what you want. So that is cool. Just a lot of fantastic looking options here. And then moving on to some of the iPhone 14 Pro cases that CASETiFY sent me. These are all impact cases. I don't have any of the Ultra impact cases, but I've got some really fantastic prints here. So we've got a lovely Perry purple base color with a fantastic print here. I think everything looks wonderful. And of course, this is lined with this EcoShock material in the twister design. Gives you that 8.2 feet of drop protection. Really very, very impressive. Such a nice case from CASETiFY. And then here in the new kiwi color, again, super cool print design. Everything looking lovely here. More EcoShock lining. Just a lovely case. Size-wise, basically the same as you're going to see for the 13 Pro Impact, but very, very slightly thicker. So if you were to compare these two, you can see that we have just a little bit thicker case. But other than that, exactly the same size. And then finally, we got a really great print design here, very creative. Just gives your phone a fantastic look. Really can't wait to actually get these on my phones. It's going to be one more week hopefully, and then the phones will be here, so really looking forward to that. Just lovely cases from CASETiFY. So not only is CASETiFY offering a significant bump in protection with these cases, with 11.5 feet of drop protection for your Ultra Impact and 8.2 feet of drop protection for your Impact, they also obviously offer custom text and fantastic graphics options. You've got artist collaborations. You have lots of great options with these cases. You can also feel really good about CASETiFY's eco-commitment. So these cases are all part of CASETiFY's RECASETiFY program, where they upcycle phone cases that people have sent in and turn them into new phone cases. So you can see these little specks on the sides of the cases. Those are actually made from upcycled phone cases. So you got a total of 65% recycled and plant-based material in these cases, and part of that is going to be the upcycled phone cases. So that is outstanding. Really nice to know that CASETiFY is doing that. Overall, these are just really nice cases. So obviously I haven't been able to try them out on the phones yet because I don't have the phones yet, but stay tuned. There will be a follow-up review and you'll be able to see how these cases look on the actual iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. Again, this has been a sneak peek at CASETiFY's Impact and Ultra Impact cases for the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. A full review with the actual phones will come later. But if you want to order these cases for your new iPhone 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max so that it will be protected from day one, they're priced starting at $68 for the iPhone 14 Pro Impact case, with a $10 bump to $78 if you want the MagSafe version. Similarly, if you want to go for the iPhone 14 Pro Ultra Impact, it's going to run you $78, and the MagSafe version of the Ultra Impact will be $88. The iPhone 14 Pro Max cases follow the same pattern. The 14 Pro Max Impact case is $72. The MagSafe Impact case for the 14 Pro Max is $82. The 14 Pro Max Ultra Impact case is $82, and the 14 Pro Max MagSafe Ultra Impact case is $92. The colors currently available are matte black, clear with black sides, sheer kiwi, sheer Perry purple, and sheer bubblegum. These cases are definitely pricey, but you're getting tons of protection and some absolutely outstanding customization options with CASETiFY's prints and artist collaborations, as well as their custom text cases. If you're interested in checking out these cases, you can save 15% by using the affiliate link, especially for my viewers, www.casetify.com/thetechreviewer. Many thanks to the kind folks at CASETiFY for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and do consider hitting that subscribe button because I've got a lot more tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.